Advanced Clinicals, Coconut Oil Moisturizing Cream, 16 ounces, 454 grams. Product Overview Description. Say goodbye to dry skin. For Salon Professionals organic ingredients, Paraben-Free smooths, soothes and firms, restores deep hydration for face, hands, elbows, knees, body not tested on animals. Suggested use. Apply a sufficient amount of lotion onto cleansed face, neck and hands. Gently massage into skin using upward circular motions, paying special attention to the wrinkles, until fully absorbed. Use daily. Other ingredients: water, aqua, cetearyl alcohol, mineral oil, glyceryl stearate, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, isopropyl myristate, cocos nucifera, coconut oil, glycerin, butylene glycol, cetearyl 20, caprylic, capric triglyceride, triethanolamine, acrylates/C1030 alkyl acrylate crosspolymer, chamomilla recutita, matricaria, flower extract, lavandula angustifolia, lavender, flower extract, disodium EDTA, alcohol, phenoxyethanol, diamhydrone, isopropanolbutylcarbamate, fragrance. Warnings. Caution, for external use only. If irritation develops, discontinue use. If lotion enters eye, flush thoroughly with water. If accidentally ingested, contact a physician. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.